So in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own fire lighters for your barbecues and your own fires or just your fire pits. As you can see, it burns quite well, so it's a cost effective way to just make your own fire lighters. So all you need is a little bit of Ross light, either this sort of stuff or the white stuff, and a bit of petrol and a jar. So snap it all up, put it all into a jar, into your petrol. This is just an iPlax video showing you, how quickly it disintegrates and turns into like a Play-Doh. So you put all your pieces in as much as you want, as much petrol as you've got. Make sure it's in a well ventilated area. Put some gloves on, some glasses, and just watch it melt. It only takes a couple of minutes to melt. The more petrol you have in, the faster it melts. So this stuff I've got in my hand, I've got some gloves on. This is your lighter fluid. It's like a Play-Doh, and you can see how it just, twists and warps in my hand. So get a little bit of this, put it into your fire, stick it onto a bit of wood, put a lighter against it, and just watch how it sets on fire. As easy as this. Now once you've got it lit, there'll be a little bit of smoke coming off it, but it's not to worry about as long as you've got some decent ventilation, and these firelighters will burn for at least 20 minutes or so. Next best thing to buying firelighters from a shop. So all you need is petrol, a jar, or a plastic container, something with a lid on so you can keep it for storage, something safe, some gloves, goggles, dust mask, safety gear, and obviously your Ross light stuff, and that's how you make your firelighter fluid.